Hi guys, so today we are going to take a look at my Hot Wheels collection. This is not the entire Hot Wheels collection right here. So look at this, it's so amazing. It's so cool, I mean. Yeah. There's so many, and I'm going to show you my very first Hot Wheels car that I bought. Wait, let's find it. Oh, right here. It's this one. It's the very first. It's my very first Hot Wheels. It's a Dodge Viper RT10 right there. And my very first treasure hunt is this one, the 95 Jeep Cherokee. So cool. There's tons of them. Look at this Corvette right here. It's from Fast and Furious. Corvette Grand Sport Roadster. Nice. Look at this. It's my favorite Lamborghinis, the 71 Lamborghini Miura SV. Yeah. It's so detailed. I like it. And look at this. It's so nice. It's so nice. Audi 90 Quattro. I also have the other Audi right there, the Quattro. I think it's a hatch version, and this one's the sedan right there. This one's from the 2022, 180 out of 250. This one's from the 2024, 144 out of 250. So nice. Look at this cool GTR. It's so detailed right there. It's from Neon Speeders, 2017 Nissan GTR R35. Yeah, so cool. This one's very popular in Malaysia, I think. It's the Proton Saga right there. It's from 2024, 41 out of 250. Okay, so here are my two matchbacks right here, and this one's the 1986 Ford F-150. So nice. I kind of like it. Yeah. And this one's the McLaren 720S Spider. I mostly like this one. It's so pretty. And it's mostly detailed. Yeah, it's so nice. Oh, look at this. It's the Volkswagen T2 pickup. This is my only one Volkswagen there. It's so nice. This one's the fantasy casting right here. It's the Rally Cat, and it looks amazing. It's nice. I mean, it's not bad right there. I have collected all of the Neon Speeders right here. Oh, this one too is the GT Hunter. It's a fantasy casting. Wait, let me show you guys. So right here, it's all of them. All 8 of them right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Look, it's 4 out of 8. And we all see there are 4. There are 8 cars right here. This one's my favorite. This is the most beautiful hatch that I know. Yeah. It's the 99 Honda Civic Type R AK9. This is the most coolest hatch that I always know. Yeah. Look at this vet right there. Corvette C706 convertible. It's so nice. It's mostly detailed, even though it's a mainline, because some mainlines are not that much detailed. But yeah, there's nothing bad. But it's good. Yes. Look at this. It's the first editions. This is the cheapest one that I could find online. Dodge Challenger concept. So pretty. Right here. Let's check the others. Oh look, there's a short card and a long card version of the 87 Dodge D100. I mostly saw this at all of my local stores right here. This is the most common Hot Wheels that I always saw, even at online. Yeah, I like this Corvette. I like how it turned. I mean, how it looked like. I was fixing my grammar, guys. So sorry for the mistakes. Oh, look at this. It's so nice. It's the Cadillac Project GTP Hypercar. It's so nice. There's only one left of this car at my local store, so I bought this car immediately before someone else got it. Oh, look at this. It's a wagon. Wagons are my favorite, you know, guys. 64 Chevy Nova wagon. I have the drift wagon version, but it's a Volvo 240 drift wagon. It's so nice. This is why I like wagons. They look nice. Let's check the others right down here. Oh, look at this. It's a Mustang. Custom 18 Ford Mustang GT. Look at the back. You can fold the bumper up and down right there. So nice. Look at this. It's a fantasy casting, but it's still my type. DHW 4-track. Wow, it has sharp edges. Yeah, that's nice. Let's check another one. Oh, look. It's the 68 Dodge Dart. I have the Dodge Challenger version of this, the Ram Chargers. Wait, let's try to find it. Ah, right there. Ah, right here, guys. 18 Dodge Challenger SRT Demon right there. They look so nice. Okay. What else can we find here? It feels like shopping on the mall with Hot Wheels. Yeah, I like it. 95 Jeep Cherokee. That's a nice car. It's my favorite car. And this one also, Nissan Patrol Custom. Custom right there. Let's check some more. Here is the 10 Camaro SS, the 2010. It looks so good. Yeah, it's nice. Oh, I have a Hot Wheels error, guys. But I think I don't have time to show it to you because my storage is running low now. Look, 18 Dodge Challenger SRT Demon. It looks nice on blue. Here's an electric car, Silverado EVR ST. Okay, let's try to find more. Here's the error, guys. It went all the way up there. So I think that's it now, guys. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more Hot Wheels videos right here. Bye guys, see you next time.